Hello, I'm Lawrence Ellis, and I'm proud to be a member of the Mr. Bill Motor Company sales force. I first joined this company in January of 2007, and my first sale was a good friend of mine who established a relationship through many other sales. I'm very proud to say today he's still a good friend of mine. And that's the way Mr. Bill Motor Company operates. We give people a chance to establish or re-establish the credit. The whole point of this business is to make you succeed and not have you fail. Overall, we provide quality transportation to those who are looking for good quality transportation to get to and from where they need to go. Here at Mr. Bill Motor Company, you can find that vehicle. We keep late model vehicles when we have short-term financing. You're not in debt for a long, long time. We try our best to make the deal benefit you more than it benefits us. We're here to help. Thank you.